Today we're making a Haitian gumbo, and I want to go over some of the ingredients with you. We've discussed the recipe, but here's what we're going to do. We're using celery, onion, and a bell pepper. That's called the Cajun mirepoix. Everywhere else in the world they use carrots instead of bell pepper, but unique to Louisiana to do this. Garlic, you can do fresh if you'd like. This is already in jar form, packed in olive oil, so it's got a very nice flavor to it, and it doesn't tend to burn right away when it goes into a pan that's a little too hot. We have corn kernels. This is also part of the Haitian element of the dish, a little unusual in Louisiana to do this. Then we have some beautiful Gulf shrimp. You can use any size you want, or you can use tiger shrimp if you'd like. I just prefer the real soft Gulf shrimp, very tasty. And then we have sausage, and I'll go a little bit over with you later about the different types that you can use. And also this is ham, and I will also go over that, what kind of types you could use.